You know there was an election a couple days ago, right?
Yes.
Do you know who won?
Donald Trump.
Now, how does Donald Trump make you feel?
Kind of iffy.
Iffy? Now, why is that?
I don't know. He's really rude.
How does that make you feel that Donald J. Trump is your president?
Oh, God. Not really comfortable, but I mean, the world keeps moving on.
When he became president, what was the face that you made?
I made an angry face.
Let me see. You like Donald Trump? Oh. So, how would you describe Donald Trump?
Well, they try him as an idiot.
The idiot?
Yeah.
How does that make you feel and why?
I don't really care because I'm Canadian, but I don't like him.
Now, are you worried that everybody's going to come to Canada?
Kind of, but not Snoop Dogg. I want Snoop Dogg to come.
What job do you think he should do, Donald Trump?
Well, he should clean up the whole earth.
Clean up the whole earth?
Yeah.
He should be a plumber.
You think he should be a plumber? Why do you
Yeah.
think that?
Because then he gets dirty and he has to clean the toilets.
If you had to say one nice thing about him, what would you say?
Oh, well, he's not the ugliest person in the world.
What does he look like?
He looks weird.
He does look like a dope.
A dope?
Yeah.
Do an impression of Donald Trump.
I could stand in the middle of Broadway and shoot somebody and I wouldn't lose any voters.
I'm Donald Trump, and I'm the best person in the world, and Hillary Clinton sucks.
Can you do an impression of Donald Trump?
She's a nasty woman.
She's a nasty woman.
Is that Donald Trump? Is Donald Trump going to be good?
He's gonna be huge.
What do you think about Donald Trump?
A good guy.
He's a good guy?
Yeah.
Do you like him?
Yeah.
Now, would you want him to be your babysitter?
No.
No. Why not?
Okay. I don't know.
You don't trust him.
No.
So would you want Donald Trump to be your dad?
Of course not.
Why not?
He might murder my mom.